this is a 176 function. So what we have today is this is configured for a right-hand reverse door, and what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to reconfigure for a left-hand door. So what we have is the outside of this case is secure. I'll insert a thumb turn here. So when somebody's on the inside and they rotate their thumb turn, we're going to have a secure lever on the outside, and then on the inside we're going to be free for exit. And when we exit the door, that makes our outside free once again. So what we're going to do is we're going to reverse that, because this side on a left-hand door is going to be the inside. So what we have to do here is orient the lock. First we're going to remove the egress screw. And the egress screw is our small screw. Put that to the side. And then we'll remove the security screw. We'll remove our security screw. The security screw is quite a bit longer. And we take this mortise lock, put the screw back in. Install the security screw, and then we will install the egress screw. So now you have the 176 set up for a left hand, which is an in-swing door. So if we have a thumb turn, that'll be on the inside of the door. We rotate our thumb turn to lock. The outside of the door will be secure, and the inside of the door will be free for exit. That is how you hand the mortise lock privacy function from PDQ.